Garbage Disposal, Johns Creek, Georgia. Call the pros at Around the House Appliance Repair at 470-203-1010. There's nothing worse than having a garbage disposal that's old and won't run properly. Unless you have a new disposal that just quit on you, leaving your sink to fill up with water and not drain properly. Are you experiencing any of these problems with your garbage disposal? Is it clogging up? Is food not disposing properly? Are there faulty switches where it won't turn on or won't turn off when you throw the switch? Are there smells coming from your disposal? Or your disposal just isn't working? Well, there's good news. We can fix those problems quickly and correctly. And all you have to do is pick up the phone and call 470-203-1010. Take a look at some of our Yelp reviews. Around the House Appliance Repair. Call 470-203-1010. They've been providing the best garbage disposal repair in Johns Creek for over 10 years. Around the House Appliance Repair. Call now for preferred appointment status or use our online form on our website at www.aroundthehouseappliance.net.